Oh yeah, good afternoon. I was thinking quite a lot about making this video just now about basically about the back of the fridge here. And I realised it wasn't really going to economically work out because you don't get more than a penny for a hit really, or a cent for a hit on YouTube. But I thought I'd try and pay a bit back to the web and engineering really by sharing my know-how on this, and that basically this is my first crude attempt to turn a basically a fridge with the C5H10 there, you can see I think, into a air conditioning unit to pump the heat out with this pipe for some sort of dryer, I suppose, to an open window. And that's basically it. I mean, all I already did was find a bit of hardboard. Where is it? There it is. I found a bit of hardboard from an old picture I took apart and cut the slot in it. Cut this got this bit of hardboard out. The cost of that was second-hand pictures from a charity shop. This is a just really an air duct for a dryer from builders merchants, and the exhaust pipe. So I was thinking, someone out there there's going to be someone with a spare fridge. Enough electrical power from solar energy and stuff to mean that the cost of an air conditioning unit is just basically a bit of hardboard like that. This kind of duct, that I cut this bit to fit in to the fridge pipe, the condenser coil, and this groove grooves it in a way, with this, it doesn't look the same now as the back of the fridge pipe going to come off it and everything. But the one thing I did find out on the web, actually get it out of the groove to prove someone's love anyway, was that these things, usually have fans, air fans, to pump the heat out from this duct. But don't do this on any old fridge, like a small fridge or a bar fridge, because you've got to check to see if it's got fans pumping the hot air out over the condenser coil. Without a fan or two fans, it could be incredibly dangerous. So this is just really, I suppose, a record of what I've done with my fridge. I'm basically not recommending anyone else ever does it, unless they research the topic and study it comprehensively and thoroughly. Thanks very much for your help. Goodbye.